guys, it's the Plushie Twins. Today we are gonna be unboxing Beanie Boos. Yeah!
Yay.
So we have this big bag behind us.
Yeah.
That all the Beanie Boos are in.
Yeah, and it's from Dollar Tree if you want some. So you grab one first, and then I'll grab one.
First, we have this frog.
Mm-hmm.
We have Gilly the frog. Gilly. Yeah,
And
we have
I
Gilly.
like his toes. They're shiny green and light green.
I like his eyes.
You forgot to tell him his birthday.
Oh
and his
yeah,
tag.
I'll tell you guys his birthday. It's May 5th.
And my turn to grab one. And I got Hazel. And I like his feet again, and I like how furry he is. He's really furry.
What type of animal is he?
He's a hedgehog.
Then why'd you say he was furry?
I don't know. He's just furry, not pointy for some reason. And let's see his birthday. His birthday is November 2nd.
Cool. Now it's my turn. I got slush. I got slushy. Slush. Now his birthday is let me check. Yeah. April 30th.
Ooh, kind of close to my birthday.
I like his cheeks.
Yeah, and the last one is, let's see. Oh, it's Closby. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'm pretty sure I am. So, Closby's birthday is October 27th. There's his tag. And I like his the fluffy part of his ears right here.
He's kind of like me.
Yeah, kinda. Whatever you say so. Okay, bye guys, and
Bye, guys.
Again, if you want one, then just go to Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.